Last year saw a big rise in the unexpected red theory, which was a trend on TikTok, talking about how red can go with all your neutral colours, and it being the new neutral colour, it being a colour that can be seen with blues, greens, cream. Think about whether you want to choose something bright, something rich, something dark, something vibrant. If you are somebody that is not as keen on using bold colours all the time, using it just in your furniture is a really nice way of showing the bold colour without doing it all over the house. We've chosen to put red at the top because it gives it a modern twist. It also draws your eye up and makes the room feel bigger by having the top half of the room in the darker tone. We've chosen this cherry red for busier spaces like your kitchen and living room. This colour is really vibrant, strong, brings energy, brings love. If you were doing a bedroom, you might want to choose a bit more of an indulgent colour. In this palette, we've colour-drenched Kingsmead from the Design Collection colour card all the way up to the ceiling. This gives us a real nice cocooning feel for the kitchen or dining room area. We've used Cheltenham on the walls and we've used bark on the chairs. You can grab your Albany colour samples for this colour scheme from Brewers Decorator centres.